Welcome to the public information meeting for the Iowa 3 bridge replacement in Wright County. During this meeting, we will explain what will happen during the project and how it will affect property owners and those who use the highway. We will also fill you in on the expected construction schedule, plus you will find out how you can give us your questions and comments on the project. Work for this project will take place on Iowa 3 in rural Wright County at the Eagle Creek Bridge, just over 5 miles east of Iowa 17. During this project, the contractor will remove and replace the existing bridge over Eagle Creek. The new bridge will be wider to meet current safety standards and a little bit longer to improve drainage. The bridge approaches, which are the roadways on either side of the bridge, will also be reconstructed, as well as replacement of the existing guardrail. 4 new field driveways will be constructed. You can get a more detailed look at this display by returning to the project meeting webpage. Temporary easements and permanent acquisitions will not be required for this project. During construction, Iowa 3 will be closed to through traffic and detoured around the construction site. Here is the detour that will be in place for the project. Traffic will use County Roads R33 and C54 and US 69. Here's what to expect as the project moves forward. The project is scheduled for letting in the winter of 2025 with construction starting in the spring of 2026. It's expected to be completed in the fall of 2026 at an estimated cost of $1.35 million. We encourage your questions and comments on this project. The best way to get a hold of us is through the online link shown here. Questions and comments through email, phone calls, and in writing are acceptable as well. All comments should be received by July 24th. Thank you for taking the time to take part in this online public meeting.